Hey guys, so today it is Easter 2018 and I just want to sing a song called There's a Cloud by Elevation. I also want to share some scriptures. I haven't made a video like this in a while, but I guess it doesn't really matter. Let me start out with Job 14:15. I'm just gonna kind of let these scriptures stand alone. I'm just going to kind of let these scriptures stand alone. I'm not really going to say anything about them or anything. I'm just going to read them. Job 14:15. You shall call, and I will answer you. You shall have a desire to work with. Wait, you will have a desire to the work of your hands. Okay. And then I have James 4:6. But he gives more grace. Wherefore he says, God resists the proud, but gives grace to the humble. I'm going to read this next two verses. Submit yourselves therefore to God, resist the devil, and he will flee from you. Draw close to God, and he will draw close to you. Cleanse your hands, purify your hearts. Don't be double-minded. Okay, so let's get on with this. I'm going to sing to you guys. It doesn't have to be perfect. I don't know. It doesn't matter, but I just want to sing it. It's such a good song. Hear the word roaring as thunder, with a new future to tell. For the dry season is over, there is a cloud beginning to swell. To the skies, heavy with blessing, lift your eyes, offer your heart. Jesus Christ, open the heavens, now we receive the Spirit of God. We receive your rain. We receive your rain. Every seed buried in sorrow, you will call forth in its time. You are Lord, Lord of the harvest, calling our hope now to arise. We receive your rain. We receive your rain. We receive your rain. We receive your rain. Lost my breath. Like a flood, like a flood, we receive your love when you come. Like a flood, like a flood, we receive your love when you come. Like a flood, like a flood, we receive your love when you come. Like a flood, like a flood, we receive your love. Every dream you have, anything that is locked up in your heart that you know is worth something, let it go. Even if you don't know. And with great anticipation, we await the promise of God. Oh, wait, yeah. Everything that you have spoken, let it be done. Every dream, promise. We receive your reign. We receive your reign. We receive your reign. We receive your reign. Oh, 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 oh. You can only try. There you go. So, now that I've sang that song about 20 bajillion times, I realize I'm not going to sing it perfectly. So, there you go. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it stood for something for you. Just go for your dreams and remember the rain is coming. It's actually, it's here right now. And just receive blessings and the amazing things that have been locked in your destiny. Things are starting to come alive again for you and for everyone. It's pretty cool how it all kind of happens. Yeah, so if you enjoyed this, if you didn't, just give me some feedback, whatever. I love you guys. Happy Easter. Happy another day that you're alive. I hope that I can be there for you if you want. I'll leave my Instagram, my email, and stuff down below. If you want to reach out, I'll be here. Alright, I love you guys so much. Thank you for much. I'm done. Can you tell I'm done? Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.